Hi, Brianna. Can you say hi? Is the dinosaur taking a bath? Is he yawning? He does have a blanket. What does the dinosaur say? Yeah. Is he reading books?
No.
No. Where are the books? Are they on the bookshelf? Choo-choo. Yeah, he has a train. Where's the dog? That's right. What does the dog say? Woof woof.
Oh.
Does the dinosaur roar? Yeah. Who's in? Yeah, he's yawning.
Daddy.
Is that a daddy?
Daddy.
Yeah, there's a daddy. Dog. What?
Mama.
Yeah, there's a mommy in the book.
Mommy.
There's another mommy.
Mommy.
There's a mommy.
Daddy.
There's a daddy.
Baba.
Yeah, is this a boy or a girl?
Bye.
Boy. Is this a boy or a girl?
Go.
Girl, that's right.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah? Where's the boy?
Bye.
No, that's a girl.
Bye.
There's a boy. What are you? Are you a boy or a girl?
Go.
Girl, that's right. What's mommy?
Go.
Girl, yeah. What's daddy?
Go.
What's daddy?
Go.
I don't know what we got there. Is daddy a boy?
Bye.
Boy, yeah.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah, that's a mommy. What is the dinosaur doing? What is the dinosaur doing there? What is he doing? Is he crying? Are they sleeping? Are the dinosaurs sleeping?
Taking.
Yeah, he's sleeping. That's right.
Up. No.
You're silly. Hey, you need to be gentle with the book, please. Can you say gentle?
Dada.
Thank you. Are you all done with the book? All done. Can you look at me and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Hey, look at mommy.
Bye-bye.
Look at mommy, please.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.